Hello to all onliners. So today I'm going to teach you on how to transfer our Polygon to another Polygon wallet. So first, open muna natin yung token packet natin and then click yung Polygon and then receive para makita natin yung wallet address and then copy. Then punta tayo dun sa coins.ph na meron tayong Polygon doon. So, ang Polygon natin is 5,464 in pesos. So, that's 310 in Polygon. So, send to another wallet. And then, send to external wallet. Select network yung Polygon. And then, i-max natin yung Polygon kung gusto natin na lahat atin i-send. And then, i-paste natin yung wallet address na kinopya natin dun sa token packet. And then, confirm. So, every time na meron tayong transaction, meron siyang gas fee. At the same time, ito yung verification na pinapadala sa ating email. So, as of now, nakita nyo, pending. So, check natin dito. Yan. Ayan na. Ayan na yung gisend natin kanina na 310 na Polygon. So, ma-check nyo din dito sa in and out niya. Oh, as you can see, nandyan na nga. Alright, success yung pag-transfer natin. So next, yung kanina from coins.ph to token packet. So for example, mag-transfer na naman tayo sa ibang wallet. Ganun din yung process na gagawin natin. I-copy natin ang wallet address, receive, at tapos back tayo dito sa kung saan natin kukunin yung Polygon. Yung wallet na nakopy natin doon kanina sa receive from our token packet, ilagay natin dito, i-paste natin, yan, and then type mo lang yung amount na gusto mong isend. For example, 25 Polygon. O, ayan. So, as you can see, meron talaga siyang minimal lang na gas fee, konti lang naman. Click send. Wait natin while nagpa-process. Send. Alright, transaction submitted. So, let's go back to our token packet. Check natin kung dumating na yung 25 Polygon na ating pinadala. Alright. O, ayan. Wala pa? Wala pa? O, ayan. I think dumating na. So, to make it sure, just click and then see the transaction. So, ayun, nakita nyo guys, andun na yung 25 na Polygon. So, success. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.